video to fix OBS Studio error. Fail to connect a server. And if your streams won't start, let me ask you, are you opening OBS Studio and seeing this error when try go live or connect a server? This problem usually happens because network settings block the connection, server information is incorrect, or firewall and antivirus interfere. Sometimes recent updates or background apps also trigger this issue. Many people search YouTube or social media and find long guides with complicated network tweaks, risky firewall changes, or steps that feel hard to follow. Most of those fixes waste time and still don't solve the problem. But on Rex's, I focus on simple and reliable solutions. Now here's my secret easy trick. Instead of changing everything randomly, we fix the exact OBS server, network, and system path that causes the failed connection. This works because it restores proper communication between OBS Studio and the streaming server. The method is fast, safe, and works on all setups. Once you apply it, OBS connects normally, streams start without errors, and the problem disappears. I tested this fix on multiple PCs, and it worked every time. That is why Rex shares smart, stress-free solutions. If OBS Studio failing to connect is frustrating you, and you want a full step-by-step tutorial with exact actions, comment below and I will guide you completely.